If you're a Windows 10 user, you might consider changing your username for a variety of reasons. Adjusting your username on Windows 10 is a straightforward procedure that can be accomplished through a few simple steps. I am going to show you how to change the username of your Windows 10 account. But before anything else, you have to know that there are two types of accounts on Windows 10: local account and Microsoft account. Let me explain the difference between these account types. A local account exists only on the computer that created it and can only be used on that computer, whereas a Microsoft account exists on the internet and can be used from any device that can access the internet. First, I will start with changing the username of a local account. Press the Windows key and type Control. On the right side of the Windows menu, click on User Accounts. Click on Change Your Account Name and type in your new username. Click on the Change Name button and there you go. As you can see, the username is still the same. Reboot your system and you will see it changed. If you are using Windows with a Microsoft account, follow these steps. Click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings app. After opening the Control panel, you need to click on the Accounts option. This will show you all the user accounts that are currently active on your Windows 10 computer. On the Your Info tab, click on Manage My Microsoft Account and sign into your Microsoft account. After you signed in, click on the Your Info link and then click to Edit Name. After filling in your information, click on Save and the task is complete. Now let's go back and verify if everything went as intended. Reboot your system and you will see the username is changed. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and educational videos.